Hello student, welcome to solve this mathematical Olympiad problem. A plus 2ab plus b is equal to 8, a plus b is equal to unknown. We are finding the value of a plus b. Our question is here. So starting the solution, don't skip any part of video. Our question is a plus 2ab plus b is equal to 8. So first step, we get 2 into common a plus 2ab plus b is equal to, as we noted, add into 2 multiplied by add, because of multiplying both sides by 2 in first step, this 2 and this 2. So this will be 2a plus 2 into 2 4ab plus 2b is equal to 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. In next step, 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 2b is equal to 16. 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 2b plus 1 is equal to 16 plus 1. Add both sides by 1. In next step, 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 2b plus 1 is equal to 16 plus 1. In next step, 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 1 into 2b plus 1 is equal to 16 plus 1 is 17. Next step, 2b plus 1 into 2a plus 1 is equal to 2a plus 1 is equal to 17. Now we are solving 1 into 17, and this will be 17 into 1, minus 1 into minus 17, minus 17 into minus 1. That is not possible, that is not possible, possible. So first we check this. 17 into 1, 2b plus 1 is equal to 1, 2a plus 1 is equal to 17. 2b is equal to 1 minus 1. 2b is equal to 0. And b is equal to 0. This will be 2b plus 1 is equal to minus 1. 2b, 2a plus 1 is equal to minus 17. And next, this will be 2a plus 1 is equal to 17. This will be 2a plus 1 is equal to 17. 2a is equal to 17 minus 1. 2a is equal to 16. A is equal to 8. This is our value of a. So we solve this factor. We are adding this. Minus 18 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, 2b, 2a. 2a plus 2b is equal to minus 18. 2a plus 2b is equal to minus 18 minus 2. 2 into a plus b is equal to minus 18 into minus is equal to plus. This will be minus 20. This value will be add and sign is not changed. Sign remain minus. 2ab, 2a plus b is equal to minus 20. This divided by 2. This divided by 2. This 2 cut by this. This cut by this, remain 10. This remain 1a plus b is equal to 10. This is our value of a plus b. This is our a. So thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more interesting math problem. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Our value of a plus b is equal to 10. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.